bulk carrier Good Faith ran aground in stormy weather on the northern coast of Andros Island, Greece, in the Aegean Sea. Naval experiment in the Pacific Ocean. An American warship or platform is deliberately sunk and spills into the water in an upright position in order to switch between horizontal and vertical orientations. The Vessel 7 Viking is constructed by Ulstein Group. It is designed to meet the high demands of IMR, survey, and light construction in some of the harshest environments. The versatility of the vessel allows for RFO operations, scale treatment, and light diving support services. West Navigator meets Hurricane Barrett on Ormenlange outside Kristiansund. The naming ceremony of the new cable-laying vessel of the Italian Prysmian Group took place in Finland. The 171m long vessel was named Prysmian Mona Lisa. The vessel is equipped with 2 carousels for underwater cables weighing 7,000 and 10,000 tons each, and with a hybrid battery system and diesel generators. Prysmian Mona Lisa will be able to lay an underwater cable at a depth of 3,000 meters. Voyager, one of the largest and fastest passenger cruisers, was caught in a strong Hurricane Valentine in the Mediterranean Sea. Deep water installation Vessel Island Victory is a multifunctional vessel which can be utilized both for pre-laying of anchor systems, installation of subsea equipment, maintenance of subsea wells, as well as anchor handling. Island Victory holds unparalleled pulling records of 477 tons bollard pull, and not to mention 440 tons of continuous traction during pre-laying of anchors. A job which is normally done by two vessels in tandem.
Πάμε 25%. 25%. Μπράβο, καλό ήταν το 25%. Πίστευτο. Μέσον. Τι πες τώρα. Κάνε 30%. 30. Και έλα 2-4-0. 30-2.
Boskalis successfully loaded cruise ship Carnival Vista on the Boca Vanguard for a unique dry docking solution. On board the ship MS Expedition, Force 12 on the Beaufort scale, from the Antarctic Peninsula to South America. Vessel Island Venture is designed and built by UL Stein for Edison Chowest and Island Offshore. The offshore construction vessel is 160 meters long and has a beam of 30 meters. In the early morning of March 16, 2011, the 225-meter bulk carrier MS Oliva runs aground at Nightingale Island, regarded as the second most important bird island in the world, and very remotely located at 1,500 miles from Cape Town. The Fedra engines failed to start, and efforts to secure new lines from 3 large tugs failed. It was pinned up against the cliffs below the Europa Point lighthouse. 4 of the ship's crew were airlifted to safety by the gallant efforts of the Spanish Coast Guard.
That probably did it. I tried to have a nice relaxing pee and it all got blown away.
Yeah.
Oh, let's calm down a bit.
Hard to imagine the violence of the storm. Yeah.
It's still very stormy.
This Damen PSV 3300 CS is a medium-sized PSV dedicated to the transport of goods to and from offshore locations. It is given global relevance with its DP2 capabilities, 551, and preparation for oil recovery duties. The 195-meter-long oil tanker was caught in a 12-point storm. The wind speed reaches 50 meters per second.
Christ alive. Oh. Man alive. Look at that. You took that well, actually.
Okay, I'll give you a C state 9 now, Freddie.
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree.
We've ridden that so well.
Yeah.
That was huge.
That's going to my steering, so if you look at it. Bang on 2, 3, 5.
That was a monster. I think it just goes to show it's all about the period and the steepness rather than the size.
Yeah.
That's how bad the slamming is.
Yeah.
The Ulstein designed ultra-long distance towing vessels, ALP Keeper and ALP Sweeper of ALP Maritime's Future class towed an FPSO from Singapore to Angola. An oil tanker is experiencing a powerful Hurricane Sandy in the Sargasso Sea, a 12-point Beaufort storm. Polar Onyx is an offshore construction vessel designed and built by Ulstein. Delivery to GC Reber Shipping. First assignment in deep waters offshore Brazil for Petrobras. A severe storm caught a cargo ship in the Pacific Ocean. Huge waves are rolling on the deck.
Нихуя себе, блядь. Вот это въебало, блядь. Не знаю, блядь. Хорошо, что не вышли, блядь.
In the Sea of Okhotsk, a fishing vessel went fishing for crab in stormy weather.
Ya no me gusta nada.
Ya piedad, esto es piedad.
The Grand Holiday cruise ship passes through powerful waves in a storm. You can see how the ship tilted, which caused panic among passengers and crew. Smith Salvage successfully removed the wreck of the TS Taipei offshore Xiamen in the north of Taiwan. The container ship ran aground after an engine failure, broke in two, and sank. For this complex project, Smith Salvage deployed its 1,000-ton floating sheer leg Cyclone and the semi-submersible pontoon Giant 6. A large fishing vessel flying the flag of the Netherlands confidently passes the waves in a storm. Its load capacity is 5,162 tons. A small school of dolphins is going as fast as a speedboat.
Que isso? Caralho, está puta. Hey, isso.
And just look at the size of some of these seas. Oh my god, this is just getting a little bit scary now rather than just plain exhilarating. The guys are still trying to do their thing in the restaurant. This is the best view. The outer decks, as you can see by the notice earlier, is they're obviously completely closed. You've got to be really silly to go out in this. But let's just carry on looking at a
The ice-resistant self-propelled platform, North Pole, is a unique vessel. There are no analogs in the world for its purpose and design. The platform will become an autonomous, drifting science center. Upon arrival at the research site, it will be frozen in ice, and a science camp will start operating around it. With the threat of ice destruction, scientists will be able to continue working on the platform. After the drift is completed, the vessel will be able to return on its own, along with the equipment and crew.
A fishing boat is sailing through a powerful storm. Huge waves cover the ship and toss it like a light boat. I wonder if the team is scared.
A fire broke out on the cargo ship at night. As a result, all the cars were destroyed. Irina Arctica in storm hurricane weather, sailing against wind with about 30 meters at the coast of Greenland. The 7 Falcon is one of the most advanced diving vessels in the world, featuring a 24-man twin-bell saturation diving system rated to 400 meters and a heave-compensated 250-ton crane. Royal Caribbean's Anthem of the Seas cruise ship VS Hurricane Storm's 180 mph winds and 30-foot waves. Scandi Iceman is a modern deep-sea anchor handler designed for versatile and reliable fieldwork in harsh environments. The vessel is built with a wide 24 meters beam for good general stability and, in particular, safe anchor handling operations. Cruise ship Anthem of the Seas go through Hurricane Hermine. A research vessel is sailing from Antarctica to Cape Town through a storm in the Southern Ocean. Subsea 7 has taken delivery of 7 Vega. The new reel-lay vessel is already operational and has started loading pipe for its first project. On January 26, 2016, the 164-meter vessel lost stability in a storm and quickly drifted towards the French coast in the Bay of Biscay. A team of dedicated rescuers from Smith Salvage arrived at the scene within 24 hours and were able to prevent an environmental disaster. Watch the video of this impressive rescue operation.
Вот это сейчас будет дело. Вот это. И поехали.
А где люди-то? Ой-ой-ой.
Large freezer fishing trawler Captain Bolsonovsky sank 35 kilometers from Cape Navarin, south of Chukotka. Due to the impact of ice on the hull, the welds ruptured in the portside area, which led to water entering the cargo holds. There were more than 90 crew members on board the ship. All of them were rescued. The 3,400-ton vessel sails through a storm in the North Sea. The Roll Dock Company transported 2 high-speed missile boats from the United States to Egypt. Calculations for this lifting and launching operation had to be carried out entirely in accordance with the strict rules of the U.S. Navy.
I got it.
This is the John Hopkins Glacier calving. A calving this size has not been seen for over 30 years. This was observed from our cabin balcony on the yacht Island Princess.
Wow, that's a big piece. Oh my God, look at that piece. Oh my God.
Oh man. Whoa.
I had it on video.
Here we go again. Here we go again.
Another one. Holy crap. Wow. Bananas.
No, it's just ice.
That was dumb.
Well, I don't have a sense of humor, so I have to do what I can.
Whole wall's going.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding?
Oh, quit saying you're processing and shoot pictures of you. From the top to the bottom.
There it is. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Still going.
Best of all.
There goes another one.
We may have to get up this time.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Oh, there she goes.
Yep, there we go. Oh, there we go. Huge piece. Whoa! Oh, there it goes! Yeah! Aha! Ooh! Yeah!
Look at that, it threw shit way out into the water.
Whoa, that's neat.
Oh my gosh.
Holy
Holy!
mackerel!
Holy! Oh no! He said.
Look at that, a pile is falling. I might be this hard to tell.
Whoa. Are you videoing it?
All of it.
Whoa. Holy crap.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, no.
This iceberg was calved by Argentina's Uppsala Glacier. While we were passing by it with a catamaran, the huge berg lost a part of itself and then flipped over with a huge roar. While exploring a glacier in the Tracy Arm Fjord in Alaska, large chunks of ice fall from a 200-foot tidal glacier and a huge wave rises that rocks the boat.